Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quick launch your apps using action button on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now we have to open action button option right here. And now here, as you can see, we have to swipe almost all the way to the left where we have a shortcut. And now we have to click here and we can choose what we want this shortcut to open, but we want to open apps. So we have here open up, and we have here some apps that we can open. For example, messages. And now when we hold on our action button, we are gonna open our messages. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!